Hello everyone watching my video. So today I am talking about problem in the internship workspace at the HVNC company. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Sushaki Laien. I'm from International Business Administration Program, Factory of Business Administration. I completed my internship the SVNC company. Let me introduce my company. DSV is a Danish transportation and logistics company. They have one of the world's leading logistics company network, spanning over 80 countries. So this is my problems in the internship workspace. They are delayed in coordinating with multiple agencies because each party has different procedures and timeline at times. The custom department, technology system or data connectivity malfunction, resulting in duplicate data submission or delays. Furthermore, there is a lack of experience in making decisions during critical steps. So this is my solution. Strategy 1. Streamline coordination. To fix the delay, I will create a standard checklist and a lead time map. Strategy 2. Technical contingency plan. When the system fails, we will keep a digital log as evidence. We will also prepare a manual backup plan to keep the workflow moving, even when the technology is down. Strategy 3. I use the 1-3-1 decision model to improve my decision making skill. 1 problem, state the issue clearly. 3 solution, propose 3 possible ways to fix it. 1 recommendation, suggest the best option and explain why.